Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot is proving that Virginia drivers really are some of the worst in the US.
Most of where my concern would be. Oh my god. You fucking idiot!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I just almost got into a fucking wreck because of some dumbass. Holy shit.
Sometimes it's hard to stay in your lane, right?
So many different needs, she says, and only cash could meet them all. Rhodes says this study, like dozens of shorter ones in recent years, finds people mostly spent the extra money on basics: food, transportation, rent.
We see a large increase in people actually paying for housing. So a lot of people were doubling up with other people and they were able to move out.
This must have been painful to experience.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
I did not expect this.
מה זה הקבלן? 88 בסוף? וואו.
This white car hits the driver here by accident while taking the roundabout. Road rages caused two other cars to crash. Yeah, let's wait until the last second to get to that exit. This driver in front of me apparently didn't like someone pulling out in front of him and wanted to prove a point.
You know, homemade light-up proton packs. I just don't think I don't think they have a place in a prop store auction.
20 minutes later.
Prop store auction than one that might have been made by somebody who once upon a time brought it to Pawn Stars. But I digress.
I don't know. Again, I don't know the origin of these packs. I don't know any backstory on this. It's just it's really random. It's just gonna show up here. So I'm looking forward to.
This idiot passes me on the right after his lane ends.
Traffic starts with Mark McKay. We see on the Dashcam still active on the right shoulder, 85 southbound, Chris at Lawrenceville, Swanee Road, exit 111. Kicking back that slow traffic about 985 and I-85, Highway 20, Buford Drive.
A police SUV cutting around traffic hits a scooter that was illegally crossing on a red light. This driver gets insanely lucky while locking up his tires. I can never be sure that I get home safe after 400 kilometers every day on this road.
A few moments later.
This ambulance driver decided to do a little landscaping. I hope there wasn't a patient in the back.
Fuck!
20 minutes later.
She had the nerve to throw her hands up. Someone's in a hurry to get to work at 7:45 in the morning.
Eventually.
Semi-exiting the highway and doesn't pause between lane changes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.